Welcome back, everyone. In this one, we're going to talk about conditionals. Conditionals, amazing stuff, really amazing. So, what is a conditional? What does it actually even mean in plain old English, right? So, what it is like if you have a situation, and depending on the state of that situation, you can do one thing or you can do the other thing. So, depending on the state of where your code is at, you can either go down this line of path, like this code path, which will do stuff in the program a certain way, or if the state is like different, you could go down that path, and then you'll do stuff, like the other way. Well, stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is, as usual, we're just gonna delete all of that stuff. Now, let's just explain something first. So if you want to have a conditional statement, sort of the backbone of it is you've got to make these comparisons, right? So if you remember from your old math in high school, we've got greater than, less than, and then in code you've got greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Cool. And you've also got equals to and not equals to. So let's go through it. I just wanted to show you those little funky symbols, and we'll go through it. So let's start off real simple. Let's assign two integer variables. So we'll call it A. And we'll say maybe another variable could be B. So B equals 10. Yeah, and then now what we're going to do is we're going to make a conditional. So we say if, not if. Oh man, oh dear. So if, and then the text hints give us some hinting, but we're just going to write it from scratch. So how we do conditionals is we start it with if, and then we say if A is less than B, we can just print something like hi. So is this true? Is A less than B? It is, right? So what Python will do, it'll come through here, and then it'll be like, is this true or not? If it is not true, if it is true, it'll print the lines below. If it's not true, I will get to that. So it is true, so it should just print what it needs to print. Yep. But if it is actually not true, we put else. So the else is like the not true part of it. I have a bit of a cold, so I'm like, ugh. Okay. So we'll just say, this is the not. Oh, everything in caps lock. Yep. Not true section. Yeah. Cool. And what we'll do is we'll make this thing here false, right? So it'll be let's make it 15. So it's 15 and 10, and then we say, okay, we evaluate this statement. Is A less than B? No, it's not. So we go down here. And so it has two choices. It'll go here if it's true, or it'll go here if it's false. The else. So let's run it, and we get not true section. Cool, that makes sense. Okay, cool. Another example. Let's do it. Okay, now what if we've got situations where it's not just true, false, but there's a few different situations. We've got this thing called elif in Python. Elif. But we'll get to it. So let's think of a scenario where, let's do this. Let's think of a temperature scenario. So I'm just looking at the docs I wrote at the moment. So let's say the temperature outside is 25 degrees at the moment, for example. Now, what we want to do is we want to say if it's hot or cold or in the middle or something like that. So what we'll do is we'll write an if statement. So if temp is, what do you think? It's above 30. It's pretty hot. So I just say print Man, it's hot. It's hot. Okay, what about if the temperature is, so let's say if the temperature is yeah, if the temperature is greater than 20, we could be, okay, let's actually say let's do this. So if the temperature is, so to put another like if statement in the same like if block, you use the if else. So if else if the temperature, right, is between, so let's say between, so the way you'd write between is you make two conditional statements. So you'd say it needs to be above 20. I'll just brace these there. And so you can just write and below 30. Now let's say it's here greater than or equal to 30 here, so it's, you know, you get the actual number 30. Yeah, cool. And we'll say it's warm. You know, it's warm. Okay, cool. And then we can say else. So if it's not above 30 or it's not between 20 or 30, so it'll be below 20. We'll just say it's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Print. It's pretty cold. It's getting cold. Cool. So the temperature is 25. We declared that at the start. If we run it, so it's warm, right? It's between between 20 and 30. So that's awesome. That's amazing. So I think what we're gonna do now is talk about something called loops. But you know what? I think what I'm gonna do is, we know about conditional statements. I'm gonna save the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna do loops in the next lesson. Okay. Till next time, guys.